Hello guys, I just saw that on YouTube there was no actual tutorial on how to see your favorites on TikTok on a PC. So I did want to show you how to do that because I did figure it out a couple days ago and I want to just let this information be public. We're going to have to download an application that's going to emulate an Android device, an Android phone, and that's going to trick TikTok into thinking we're on a phone. And obviously on a phone you can see your favorites. It's called BlueStacks. So you're going to type in BlueStacks download and you're gonna click this link, not the ad, the first non-ad link, and you're gonna scroll down to here, and you're gonna whatever operating system, but this is I guess for Windows only. I don't know, for Windows only, and you're gonna click this Pi 64 beta because these two don't actually work with TikTok. They work with other apps, but they don't. I'm just gonna show you here. I think this one is the Pi. Yeah, and then this one is the nougat, and as you can see, it just crashes. So it's pretty important that you install the Pi. After that, you're gonna get three applications probably installed in your PC. These multi-instance, BlueStacks 5 and BlueStacks X. You type in that, and then you just open it, right? Because this is my Pi. This is the TikTok working one. It's gonna launch, and then we're gonna go to the App Store, download TikTok, and after that, there's really nothing else. Pretty short tutorial, honestly, but like I saw a lot of these videos where like, oh, it's not possible. I mean, it is. Um, just as you would on a phone. I've already installed it, and just proof, I guess. Here's the TikTok app, and then I'm gonna go into my favorites. Oh, wait. Why is it crashing? Okay. I don't know why it crashed there, but whatever, I guess. And then see, I have all my favorites. 9,000. I had 12K when I first started. Anyways, one more thing. The tutorial's done, but I just want to give you a tip. You probably will experience very slow times when you first download this app, especially if you have a CPU that uses multiple cores. And that's because you have to enable virtualization on the PC so it can use all your cores. I'm going to leave a link in the description. If this applies to you, click that link, and it'll tell you exactly how to enable all your cores so that the application can run like smoothly. Because I'm telling you, without it, it runs like molasses. Anyways, my next video is going to be how to get to the TikTok favorites on the bottom. I'm going to do it on phone and on this BlueStacks application. So if you want to see that, just look out for it. All right, have a good day. Bye.